Next command in stPanel is biggest command, create views. This command allows you create pages and create views for detail and assembly in your documents, in drawing documents. First of all, I must load in this table parts and assemblies for which I want to create drawings. I can do this by next way. First, I can open files from Explorer, and I can select files and open. After that, these files will load in table. Second options, I can load from active BOM table. I can select BOM table and load parts and assemblies from this BOM table. Next option is load from active model. If I have active model in Solidworks window, I can press this button and models from active model, active assembly will load in table. Next option, load from active view. I can select view in drawing and press this button for load 3D models from this view. And last option, I can load active models in Windows SolidWorks. I can open many windows in SolidWorks, and after that I can load models from this window. In our case, I select BOM table and load from this table. That's all. As you see, for each detail, create separate sheet. First of all, I want place to one sheet. After that, I can select same details and place it in new sheet. One sheet, next sheet. For example, next, 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 and next. For example, I create 6 sheet. After that, I must choose options for create my views. First option, start. I can select sheet to start. It may be from active sheet, from new sheet, from next sheet. In our case, I need from new sheet. I can select view. In our case, view front with start on begin, because is system view in SolidWorks. I can enter another view, and this view will be placed in drawing. I can check node for view, and in this node I can place quantity, place to quantity top, text for quantity, HEP in millimeters. I can choose text for node. In settings to program, I can add many different variants to text for node, and I can choose For example, file name or file name and entry, and I can choose layout option. There is two different params, raw and read. When I choose raw, new views will place it in sheets one by one from left to right side. If I choose read, system will be calculate format this read by quantity, how many views I place it on sheet. These params can settings in preferences. When I check read, I can check another option. Draw read, set scale sheets by first view, and set scale view by read. I think understand. When I choose draw read, read will be draw in drawing. If I set scale by first view, when system calculate quantity, view calculate size of cell of read and set scale view by read. If I check set scale sheet by first view, after placed first view on sheet, sheet have new scale, and I can set hubs for sale, hubs for sale in read from lines to view in millimeters. After I done settings, I can run command. As you see, program create new sheets, create new views, place it new views, draw read, draw notes for each views. Done. As you see, program create new 6 pages, place it in every page's new drawing view. After that, I can use another commands from stPanel. For example, create section, create break views, align views, and another command. Yes, I forgot another thing. I can order it. I can change order views in my sheet before I run command. I can add to this table property column, and I can sort table, I can filter table by this property and another columns. I can update number position, and I can write position number a quantity to property of configuration in detail. For use this property in drawing too. Another option for this command, let's clear table and let's add different detail. These details is parts with many bodies, multi-body parts, and I want place these parts and bodies in these parts in drawing views. I can do this. I can add to table bodies. Let's do it. For each parts in table, added all bodies. My bodies have name by Russia, but I think you understand what I mean. After that, I can unit part of all bodies in sheets and run command again. Let's do this. I can unit to one sheet, and after that I can sort it by column body, and string without body is a part. I can unit on first sheet, and I can select another body and unit to sheets. For example, yes, I can change order pages. Command move up and move down. After I united details and body by sheets, I can run command. I choose from active sheet. This sheet is empty, and I start command. As you see, command creating new sheets, create new views for bodies of my part, and nodes views. Every node have name of part and name of body. And quantity. As I check it in settings before run this command. That's all. Maybe that's all about this command. Thank you.